Welcome to 1932 Powell Street. This is a mid-level, mid-floor, full-floor flat that's just been recently redone from top to bottom. 6 rooms, 3 baths, including a master suite. You enter and you have the kitchen here. There's some great recessed lighting throughout the whole flat. And the kitchen features a stainless bottom drawer side-by-side Whirlpool refrigerator, stainless sink with a retractable faucet, disposal, an LG dishwasher, and an LG gas range with hood. Marble slab counters with a marble backsplash, contemporary gray cabinets. Across from the kitchen there's 2 doors. One leads to your stackable washer and dryer. It's a brand new machine. And the second to the hot water heater, which is exclusive to the flat, so you have plenty of hot water. The kitchen opens to the living room that features a round bay window, a decorative Edwardian fireplace. As you can see, there's hardwood floors throughout the entire place, and they're all new also. The fireplace has some nice columns, an original tile, a mirror. And the view is really great. You see a little peek of Alcatraz, the Golden Gate Bridge, and then up the hill, all to Russian Hill, to the expensive co-ops, over to Nob Hill, and then across the street you have the park. So a spacious amount of living space. Loop around the living room a little bit here so you can see. Off the living room is the master suite, master bedroom. And it also has a bay window that looks at the same classic San Francisco view. It's a nice sized room. And it has a walk-in closet. The bath is all done with natural stone tile, floor to ceiling around the tub. There's a stone vanity, natural stone tile flooring, and walls. The second of 6 rooms has a double window. And all the windows throughout the flat, except the front bay windows, are new double pane windows. And all the bedrooms also have the recessed lighting. And the closets have shelves and hanging space. Onward past the kitchen, laundry. Here's the interior staircase. There is a storage space. It's pretty big. And the second or first hall bath, there's 3 full baths. When you go in, the lights turn on. This is done with a fancy marble natural stone tile. Nice fixtures, matching vanity. And then the second has a different theme, kind of a pink natural stone, mauve tile. It also has the marble vanity, a lighter floor. The baths are of course all new. There's a window here in the hall. Then we have 4 more rooms. To the left, this is the smallest of the bunch. No closet. One of the great features is you have the all-new electrical system throughout, which gives you plenty of outlets. Staying to the left, room number 3. It has 2 windows and a rear door that can be used as a private entry into this room through the service passageway. Across the hall, the next room, there's a double door closet and double windows. Shelves above the clothes rack there. And the final room, number 6. It's L-shaped. There's an area over here, which is great for your bed, and then a different area here for a desk. Double window. And its closet. There's also a new central heating system. If you're interested in leasing 1932 Powell, visit billharkins.com or call 415-305-5311. Thank you. Have a great day.